Alright, got a brand new effect that I'm going to show you today. Okay, this is a new oil and water. And what I've done is I've written, as you can see, the words water on these cards. So we have, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 water cards, and the 4 oil cards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 oil cards. Now everyone knows that oil and water doesn't mix. We're going to mix them. Okay, take oil. 1 oil card, 1 water card. Oil, water, okay? Oil, water, oil, and water. Now as we can see, oil and water does not mix. So you can see these are, in fact, mixed. And what I will do here is I will attempt to unmix these, okay? Just a snap of the fingers. And you let them to settle and we get all the water cards back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 water cards. Okay. And over here we get the oil cards back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 oil cards back. Okay. Now we'll do that again. Okay. Oil, water, take oil card, water, oil, water, oil, and water. Now we're going to show you that they're mixed. It's oil and water mixed. Okay? Oil and water does not mix. Now if we mix them like this, okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to give them a little shake like this. See? If we shake them up too much, we can actually vanish everything and all the oil and water go away. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 blank cards. I hope you like that. Alright, now I'm going to show you the explanation. Okay? This is the effect that I've created. It's oil and water. I use blank face cards. What I've done on the blank face cards is I have written on 4 of them. Okay, 2 water and 2 oil. And what you do is you're going to set up to do the Larry Jennings rhythm count. Okay, and I use the optical rhythm count of my mentor Allan Ackerman in this, so this is a special move here. So this is your setup. You go oil, water, okay, blank oil, okay, that's your setup. And then over here, blank water, blank water. Now the way you're going to show the cards, you're going to bring these cards out and you're going to say I have some cards that I have written water on them. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you do the optical rhythm count. It's a variation of Larry Jennings rhythm count. Okay, do that with the oil. So count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're going to take the oil. You say oil and water doesn't mix. You take oil, water, oil card, water card. Now you can't show these, so you just go oil, water, oil, water. Now you're going to do a false count that I've created. You're going to take the top and bottom card off at the same time secretly. Okay, looks like you're just counting through the cards. You're actually with your left hand peeling the bottom blankmost card. So that should look like you've only taken off 1. Next, you're going to take the water. As you take the water, you're going to do the Kelly Master move under here. Okay, and what that's for, you'll see why you're going to load the water one over here underneath. You're loading it back underneath the right side, okay? Goes underneath the Kelly because you want it to get second from the bottom there, right? Now, as you square this up, that gets stolen back and then you count this over. So it looks like you're just counting over 4 cards, which you are, but you're actually, let's back it up. What you're actually going to do is you're going to steal the cards out. It's a false count. So you're taking the top and bottom. So essentially you have a blank and an oil. That should look just like 1, okay? Because you're going to peel it off at the same time. So 1, 2 as you show oil and water as you show they're mixing. Now you're going to do, slow it down, do the Kelly, load the water card underneath to the right side. Now you're going to take the top and bottom again as you take the oil. So it should look like 1. So they should think you just took 4 cards of oil, water, right? What you've essentially done is you've switched out for blank oil, okay? So you set that down, face down. Now you're left with this, you have this. So what you have to do is, as you show this one, you have to do a displacement and put it second from the top. Just looks like you count over 1, 2, 3, 4, like they're mixed. You then snap your fingers and you prepare for the rhythm count again as you go 1, okay, 2, optical rhythm count, 3, 4, all water cards like they've unmixed. Then you show over here that they've become all the oil, repeating, okay, the first thing. So that's the next phase. Now for the next phase, you go oil, water, oil, water, oil, water. You don't show these, oil, water. Now you're going to do Brother John Hammond's Hammond count, okay? You're going to go. You can do a variation of that I've created. You go 1, 2, 3. As you count 4, you're going to switch this packet with your ring finger. Switch the packet. Now you're going to hold a break. You slightly spread, hold a break here. You're going to steal back this 1 card as you count, okay? It's 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? Now you're going to get a break underneath this, because what you essentially have is you have 4 blanks, which you're not going to show, and you have 4 of these, so you've shown those same cards twice. So it looks like you've counted through all the cards. Now you're going to get a break under these 4. Okay, you're going to do a turnover pass, which is to take these 4 cards. Okay, you're going to do a turnover pass with the 4 cards. What that does is it repositions so that your blank cards are on the bottom, right? Then you snap your fingers, wave your hands, do a push through the fist flourish, whatever kind of flourish you want. Now you're going to do a variation of the Hammond count again as you go. Look, they've all vanished. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Switch this packet for this packet. So count 4. Now you're left with 3 as you go. 5. Then you're going to hold a break and steal this one back. 6, 7, and 8. So I hope you like that. That's an original effect that I've created to show you how to get creative with the oil and water. I hope you like that. And if you'd like to see more and even better magic, go to promagicart.com and get to join. You can join for only $10 a month, and you can get access to over 700 plus exclusive tutorials today. Thank you very much.